I was not answerable to President William Ruto. I was answerable to the people of Kenya. So anything that the people of Kenya had a problem with, ordinarily when you are elected, you don't fight your own bosses, the people who elected you. Ndio mimi nikashindwa kwenda kutetea hizo miradi. But the person, the president chose to occupy that office can defend anything because yeye ni mfanyikazi wa rais. Yeye si mfanyikazi ya raia, hajachaguliwa na mtu yeyote. Yeye ni mfanyikazi wa Rais William Ruto. So akiambiwa kwenda sema Adani ni mzuri, anaenda anasema Adani ni mzuri. Shifu ni mzuri, Shifu ni mzuri. Hii ni abduction, hakuna abduction, anasema hakuna abduction. But mimi, when I was still in office, nikiwa Mombasa, I castigated abductions and extrajudicial killings because I was elected by people. When you are elected by people, you must think about them and what they think about what you say and what you do. And that is the difference between an elected deputy president and an appointed one. And that is why the framers of our constitution, made it possible for a deputy president to be elected so that he can be talking for the people and can tell the president, no, this is wrong. But the situation we are having now, there is no difference between the president and the deputy. They are one and the same. So that was the situation. And I really asked the president to forgive me. I couldn't. I was elected, so I couldn't defend corruption. I couldn't defend things that are against the people of Kenya. There was no way I could do it. But it is not because I'm a bad person, but it's because I was elected. And once you are elected, you must respect the people who have given you the job.
Mwisho kabisa, kuna hili swala ambalo wanasema kwamba kuna baadhi ya viongozi wanasema kwamba ni wakati sasa uweze kuketi chini na kunyamaza ili kuweza kuzuia baadhi ya mashambulizi ambayo yanatokea kwa sasa. Na kauli ya mwisho pia nitakuuliza kuhusiana na kuna mpango wa serikali kuweza kuleta ile vaccination ya mifugo mwaka ujao. Kauli yako.
Wale wanasema ni nyamaza si wafuasi wangu, ni watu ya serikali. Watu ya serikali wanitakie vema. So ukisikia kuambia unyamaze, ujue unafanya ile kitu nzuri, unaendelea. Because if they meant well for me, they would not have removed me from office. Why are they bothered? If I keep quiet, I am better off. Then why should they wish me well? Yeah, I cannot keep quiet because there are many issues to talk about. We cannot keep quiet when the people of Kenyans are suffering, when our children are being abducted, when people are being overtaxed. We must speak because we are leaders. And I was not just speaking because I was in office, because I'm a leader in this country. I was elected by the people. I must speak for them. Mambo ya vaccination tunauliza serikali ni sawa, lakini huwezi lazimisha chanjo kwa nguvu. Chukua muda uende ueleze wafugaji faida ya hiyo chanjo, na wakikubali chanjo itaendelea. Wakikataa, ukubali wamekataa kwa sababu ng'ombe ni yake, na huwezi lazimisha mtu kuhusu mambo ya ng'ombe yake. Ng'ombe ni yake, ndiye mwenye kununua, ndiye mwenye kulisha. The cow is this. You cannot do things by force. If you find people are saying no, don't insist. Listen to them. If they say they want the vaccination, go ahead. If they say they don't want, stop it. Kenya is a democracy, and that is why we have a constitution, and it allows people freedom of choice to decide what you want. And you cannot interfere with people's private lives. The cow is mine. I bought it. I'm the one who feeds it. I do what I want with my cow. The government cannot force me to vaccinate my cow if I am not interested, or if you are not convinced me that is the right thing to do. Ile kitu iko inasumbua Kenya hii ni kiburi. Ni kulazimisha watu. Inataka kulazimisha watu kila kitu kwa nguvu. Hiyo ni mambo ambayo yamesakadi imepitwa na wakati.
Ndoa yako na Rais William Ruto kwa nini wengi sana tulikuwa tukaingia mchana. Na baadaye kidogo wengi wakawa wanasema kwamba kile kitu ambacho kilifanya ukaondolewa mamlakani ni maandamano ya jinsi. Wengi wanasema kwamba you have been behind it, you have been funding Gen Z protest, is it true?
Sifikiri hiyo ni sababu ya ukweli. It's not true. I defended Gen Z when the president called them criminals because I don't think they are criminals. I think they are our sons and daughters, and I think they are legitimate concerns. The fact that I defended them does not mean that I sponsored them or funded them, or I'm their leader. And by the way,